This one.
I mean, it's prepped for rear camera already.
20. Yes.
So there's
This one has a slide. And that's not a Murphy bed.
This thing only weighs 3,500 pounds.
This bathroom even feels bigger.
I could handle this one. Wouldn't mind a little curtain across, but you know, like you said, that's something we could probably retrofit.
It's got a pretty good size oven though. I mean, little table.
Yeah, I think it does a bunch of stuff.
You put a couple chairs to it, or
Oh, I see. So you can do it either way.
oh,
You have to slide over a little bit and you can sit your stuff on it.
not bad.
No, except for a little separation right there. I think this will be fine. Looks nice.
It's very light.
I like
mean,
the
it's got
colors.
that
It's
going
small,
for it.
yeah. Yeah, that's.
It's got a walkable roof.
Says it's 3,583 pounds dry weight. It's only 21 feet long.
It has a small solar panel, 200 amp with a 30 amp charge controller and inverter.
It'll hold 775 pounds of cargo. I see it pretty difficult putting that much weight in there. Single axle, so it'll pull nice. It's a little storage with some plumbing access, which is kind of nice. Get all that shit. Oh, I didn't see the little sponge drawer.